Today we are going to learn the easiest way in Photoshop to replace the boring sky to a colorful one. Hey everyone, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. This is Sudarshan from TutBuddy. If you didn't subscribe to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for future video updates. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna combine these two pictures to get the final result. I have downloaded these pictures for free. Also, I made a detailed video earlier regarding my top free websites to download free design resources. You can check that out. Coming to the tutorial. Here is the picture which needs its sky to be replaced. If you see the sky, it looks very boring and no colors in the sky. Let's bring in our new sky image by going to File menu, and Place Embedded. Scale the image up a bit. Keep a copy of the sky layer by hitting Ctrl or Command J. And hide the top layer. Now change the blending mode of this layer to multiply. Let's move the sky image to the top to match the horizon. The next thing we need to do is double-click on the sky layer to open up the layer style options. Let's go to the bottom part of the panel and drag the black slider to the right until the sky disappears from the sand area. Now hold the Alt or Option key to split the slider into two. And drag it to the right to make it softer. Then hit OK. Now let's add the same colors to the sand part. Just turn on the top layer. And go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. Keep the value a little higher to get a color like this. And hit OK. Change the blending mode to soft light. The last step we need to do is to add some more colors to the overall image. To do that, press Ctrl-Shift-Alt-E on the Windows, or Command-Shift-Option-E on the Mac. This will make a merged visible layer on the top. Convert the top layer into a smart object by right-clicking on the layer and convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, and Camera or Filter. Let's play with the sliders. Lower the blacks. Improve the shadows a bit. And then decrease the highlights a bit. We are happy with the result now. Let's hit OK. That's it. Cool. This is before. And this is after. I hope you found this video useful. And don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching and I will see you on another video.